Hey there! Today I'll guide you through setting up your Cudy AC1200 router. First, let's unbox. You'll find the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and a quick start guide. Before we start, make sure the router is powered off. Now, connect the Ethernet cable from your modem to the router's WAN port. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to an outlet. Turn on the router and wait for the lights to stabilize. On your device, find the Wi-Fi network named Cudy AC1200 and connect. Open a browser, type 192.168.110.1 to access settings and log in with admin/admin. Change your Wi-Fi name and set a strong password, selecting WPA2 PSK for security. Save the settings, reconnect with your new Wi-Fi name and password. And that's it! You're connected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.